Everyone, this is Hugo from SSW, and today we are reviewing Sprint 30 for EasyLeave. That's our great tool to handle leave requests for employees. So let's jump straight into the summary email for that sprint. So the goals were somehow fix bugs and improving UX. Sounds right, I guess.
That's pretty
Well,
broad.
Yeah, so this sprint is a bit special, right? Because it started in July.
Right.
So, and we only had a few days to spare here and there throughout the year. So it's roughly 15 man days spent since July, only to fix bugs and improve UX, right?
It's a maintenance sprint.
Yes.
Well, let me tell you, it's still people's favorite thing. I get it regularly. They remind me that they love EasyLeave. Only the old employees.
Right, that's good to hear. So the backlog is a bit long, as you can see. There are a lot of dones in there, but that's mostly short bugs or short UX improvements. Let's focus on the most important ones. So
I will remind you, for real clients, it is important to put green ticks on those done so they stand out as more positive.
Right. Okay. Yep. So the first one I want to talk about is that one.
Oh, geez, that's part of the.
Yes,
that was done. Wow, yes. So long ago. Okay.
So, just to remind everyone about this, we have an issue in France because legally we can't take leave that's shorter than half a day. Tell me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, that's correct.
So yeah, when we designed EasyLeave in the first place, we allowed people to take like 1 hour, 2 hour leave, and that's not something we can do in France. So we had to change this. So basically, we added a setting to restrict partial leave to half a day for the French tenant, well, the EU tenant. So in the UI, we have this half day setting, so we can choose either morning or afternoon if we take a partial leave. And yeah, it's been done in July. So
this one was particularly tricky as well because it depends on start time. Because half day, what does it mean? If you start at 7 and leave at 3, well, half day usually is not 5 hours in the morning and 3 in the afternoon. So we had to do some crazy math, but it works.
Yes.
Right. So Gordon, did you ever notice that you could take half a day off?
It's only for the
EU tenant. Yeah.
It's only enabled on the EU tenant.
It's not for everyone.
I can take 1 hour off if I send an email.
Yeah, but why would you only make this available for one tenant?
It's a setting at the tenant level that we can turn on and off.
But why would you decide not to give it to everyone?
Because it's more restrictive.
Yeah, you have more flexibility in Australia. So why would you want this? Essentially,
this allows you only. That's all you can do. Oh,
yes, it restricts partial leave to half a day.
I can take 1 hour leave, and they can't take 1 hour leave.
Right. Sorry, I thought there was just an extra. If I didn't want to take 1 hour, I could just take half a day. Okay. All right. Keep going.
Makes sense. Yeah. Okay. Next one in the list is, well, that's a small one, but that's something lots of people wanted, to add a cancellation reason when you cancel a leave. So, well, all images are broken here, but maybe I can cancel something.
Have you investigated why that would happen? Does Azure DevOps lose images after a period of time?
No, I just noticed that before calling you, so I need to investigate what happened, but yeah.
But can you investigate? Because I would definitely like to know if Azure DevOps removes images after a period of time.
Yeah, I'll have a look.
I'm sure it doesn't.
Yeah, because this one is even
older.
It's older. Yeah, right. And it still have images. So
sure. Okay.
So basically, when you try to cancel something now,
as you can see,
it works, right?
It's cancelled immediately. It's not on the list.
That's demonstration effect.
Yes. But it will fail again. Yes. Not sure what's happening, but you have to trust me on this.
You're right.
You sound like Elon Musk.
What?
That's move on.
Yes.
Just pretend. Move on.
The old refresh thing.
No, move on.
I think that's because it's in the past. You can't cancel something in the past.
You can, but that's right.
Yeah. Well. That's another thing to investigate, I guess. Yeah.
Ah, well.
Yeah. But as you can see, it was supposed to work, right? And it's showing in the report too.
We can add Stefan if you want. He knows it's working because it's helping him a lot for reporting to know why people are canceling. So that's,
Right.
I'm just saying it's suspicious that the PBR that has the picture for the thing that's canceling,
Yes.
pictures are missing, and in the
I
feature
understand
demo,
what
it
you're
didn't
saying.
work
Who
either.
invited Gordon? Who invited Gordon?
Yeah, okay, let's move on. Next one is, well, this one was quite a bit of a headache because we have jobs that runs in the background. Oh, someone, yeah, that's
Oh, hey, you go.
you had it, Stefan.
Speaking of the devil.
Yeah.
Stefan, can you testify, sorry. Can you testify that now in EasyLeave, when you cancel, there is a reason and you see that in your reporting?
Way too long.
Yes, there is. Yeah.
Ah, there you go. Thank you.
I'm trying to
trying to
remember
recall how much they paid you to say that.
No, I can't.
Don't disclose this.
Disclose
Oh,
that.
sorry, you're breaking up, Stefan. Sorry, what?
Breaking up. It's breaking up.
You're going in the tunnel, right?
All right, keep going.
Yes.
Sorry.
So next one was that we have jobs that create a bunch of things when you take a leave. So it will create the appointments and emails and stuff like that. And we are chaining multiple jobs using Hangfire. And sometimes when one of those jobs fails, it would keep the leave request in a stuck pending status instead of going to error. And now this has been fixed. So I can't really show anything with screenshots because it's all been done in the backend, and it was related to the DI that was when we done, but now we can see that we have some leave in error status, and it was not the case before. I can quickly show this actually because I know some people have errors, but before that, all failed leave requests would be stuck in pending status, basically. And that's not what we want. I know that, I think that's Michael has some errors. Because I still need to tell him that it's now fixed. Yes, you can see the first one here is in error status. This was not happening before because of DI errors, basically. So now it's fixed and we can...
It's failing successfully.
It's failing successfully.
Oh, yeah.
That's one way to put it, yes. Yes. Any questions about this? Oh, no.
Okay. Looks good. Very happy with that. That was a bit of a headache. So I'm glad we fixed that.
Next one on the list is, well, actually, it's nice that you're here, Stefan, because it's about unpaid leave and what we did, I think it was last week or the week before that. We have an issue that's only happening in Australia because of the way we deal with unpaid leave and public holidays, right? So if there is an unpaid leave...
Oh, that's right.
Oh, no, if there is a public holiday next to an unpaid leave, then that public holiday should also be unpaid, or, well, I'm not sure what the thing was.
If there's a public holiday within your unpaid leave,
or just next to one,
or just next to, it doesn't count as public holiday.
Yes. So we had to
weird rule.
Find a way to flag those for Stefan, and the decision we took was to add a comment in the report for Stefan. So it's been done and it's deployed. So now, Stefan, if you generate reports, then you should be able to see those comments. Have you tried it already, or maybe not?
Actually, I haven't seen it yet. So I'm doing this report once a month on payroll time. I think this was just closed, right? Just yesterday, I think.
Yep.
Yeah, okay. I haven't seen it yet. No.
Right. Okay. Yeah, anyway, it will look like this, basically.
And you've got the if you go to the right.
No, it's not on the right. No.
You don't have a warning on the right?
No, because we...
No flag? Okay.
Yeah, Stefan said that it's not really useful, those warnings on the right. So
okay.
He wanted a comment on the leave type column.
Now I'm very surprised. You can do comment programmatically?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
I found a way to.
Okay. I didn't know you could do that. Huh?
Yes.
Sure.
So basically this one is next to that one, which isn't paid.
Right.
So it has a comment on the leave type cell saying that review.
Right. Okay. Because we may allow it or whatever.
Yeah. Depends on the situation, I guess.
Cool.
That's basically it for all the cool things we did. Well, let's go back to the email. So,
is there anything else you want to see in the PBIs, Adam? Like the gazillion. I mean, we can cover them all, but
No,
yeah,
no,
it will take.
no, that's not necessary.
Okay. So let's move on. Timesheet data. Well, we still don't have this for the EU tenant, I think. So I could not do something here. I've updated the usage stats. So you can see that now, according to this report, around 60% of users have used EasyLeave in the last 30 days. Last sprint review, it was 25. So I guess that's something.
Why is SSW absence there? Surely that's a bug.
yeah, that's right.
That's because of public holidays, I guess.
No,
We should filter out.
I would have a look at that and see who it was.
I think that's public holidays.
Yeah, it must be.
Yeah.
Because it sends as SSWs. That's a good point.
Yeah.
We need to just filter it out. I didn't notice.
No, I wouldn't filter it out. I would just make it because it's happening.
Well,
but
it's meant to happen.
Yeah.
Well, maybe you can put a checkbox that says include public holiday or exclude public holidays, and it can be on by default. And then
actually, I don't think we filter anything in that report.
Sure.
Yeah. And then with SSW absence, just put in brackets public holidays or something.
Oh, you're right. Whatever it is, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Give me a second, just take notes. Because...
Yes. Good job.
You can do a yak shave after this.
Better take a quick. I'll take it out. That's fine.
I managed to close the names somehow.
That's why presenters should never take notes. Sorry, that's my bad. Taking notes for you.
Yeah. I'm back. So yeah. Like I said, from 25% last sprint to 60% now. So that's a good increase. That's nice.
Awesome.
Deployments, well, it's not really that relevant because, like I said, the last sprint was in July. So obviously there are more than 20 production deployments being done since last sprint. But 3 have been done this week, but that's not by us. That's the TimePro team. So take credit for that, I guess.
Have you checked whether the Octopus version is fairly close to the current Octopus version?
Sorry, what did you say?
Have you checked the Octopus version is about right? Or it's
the Octopus version. What do you mean by Octopus version?
Octopus deploy.
Yeah.
Thank
you
you.
guys can do that after this call. But if it's out of date, then tell Kiki about it.
Yeah, okay. Right.
But it should be in the last few months.
I
think we update every 3 months.
Oh, okay.
Are we running self-hosted? I thought we were running the cloud version.
I don't think so. Because don't forget, TimePro is not in the cloud.
That's right. Well, yeah, it doesn't.
Yeah. Okay. So next on the list, product roadmap. It has not really been updated because we are still kind of working on UX improvement and tech debt. So I think that's still true. You tell me, PO.
Nothing, sir. Yeah. I mean, it's maintenance mode, right? So
yes. So it's
the roadmap is
not really. Yeah.
Okay.
AI usage this gigantic sprint. Well, I haven't really updated this because it hasn't really changed from what I've asked the guys. We are still using Yakshaver, Copilot, and shortcode mostly. Maybe we'll give a go at Cursor now that we'll use it for Berkeley. Maybe it will inspire us to use it for TimePro. Who knows? I don't know. But yeah, as of this sprint, that's yep. Adam?
Did you use Cursor at all for EasyLeave?
No, me personally, no. I don't think Chloe or Gilles did use. You know?
So can you move Yakshaver to the end, because Hugo, the first tools should be the coding tools, and Yakshaver should be at the end.
I mean the IDE.
That's right. That's the idea. All right.
Space.
Oh, fix you. Sorry. You feel better?
Yeah.
All good.
Okay, let's then get to the retrospective. We haven't prepared this since I was alone preparing this review, so let's do it now. I'm a professional, trust me.
You should have done this before us.
But it doesn't make
I'm
sense.
gonna-
Doesn't make sense if he's alone.
Yeah.
I think
How does it?
he could have a go at what has gone well and what hasn't. I'm going to let you do that after us.
Do you have anything to add there?
No, I've been pretty happy with EasyLeave, and when there has been bugs, I think you guys have done a great job fixing it.
Stefan, do you have anything specific?
Just thinking about it. No, look, I think Hugo is amazing. I think
Thanks.
pretty happy with how Hugo is handling things. He's like he's a little bit like Jean, just without the attitude, I guess.
I mean, if you take the attitude away from Jean, what's left?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. This is all recorded, so I'm not going to say anything. Right?
I know, that's why I said it, so you can't say anything.
Okay, keep going.
Said something in there, or
Well, I did with you
Nothing.
afterwards, I guess.
Everything's good. No
Alright,
dramas.
So let's jump to the planning for next sprint.
I'm just going to mention one thing that
Yep.
I saw that we were talking about Hangfire before, and I think there are notes in the backlog or the roadmap to get to Azure that one of the blocking things is Hangfire, because we can't use that when we go to Azure. I was just asking Gordon about it, and he says that's definitely not a blocker. So can you just look up any notes about Hangfire and see if it says this must be done for the migration to Azure, and say this is incorrect. Gordon's been using it on his client, and
review,
no problems.
Reviewing Hangfire PBIs.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep. All right. Let's go to the planning email. So I think the goals will be the same, essentially fixing bugs and improving UX. Is that right, PO?
Yeah, we're still in maintenance mode. I guess goals don't really make sense here, to be honest. But
but since it's in the template.
Yeah, I suppose that makes sense.
I made it a 2-week sprint, but I'm not sure when we want to.
I would make it sprint duration 5 man days, and in brackets no time duration.
Yeah, okay, makes sense.
So it's probably going to be a month.
Yes,
at least. And put in brackets like no time duration. And just speak it.
Yeah, makes sense. So I can't really set that to you.
Yeah.
Should I?
Yeah, not applicable really.
Yes. All right, makes sense. So I've taken all the leftovers from this sprint. The most important ones are an issue that Mike reported, that when someone deletes manually the Outlook appointment and then updates the leave request, then there is an error during the update. So that's probably going to happen quite a lot.
Definitely something we need to fix.
Yeah. So this is at the top of the priority list. We still also have something about daily Scrum reminders sent on public holidays that I need to investigate. But
it's not fixed?
Well, it should be now, but I still need to confirm that it is, right? So I kept this one on the top just to be sure.
Yep.
Right.
Agreed.
And yeah, that's basically what we have for next sprint for now, but I'm sure people will have more feedback, right?
All right.
Does it make sense?
Cool.
Yeah, I'm reading the forecast, just seeing if there's anything I want to push forward. But yeah, no, sounds good to me.
All right.
Oh, maybe the last one, that last feature. I think
this one.
Yeah, I think there's a low hanging fruit. I'd push it up a little bit. Like maybe midway. So you go.
So yeah, I'll do it in
Yeah.
DevOps and yeah. Okay. Any questions, Adam?
No, but when you're doing this, try to do as much as you can in AI rather than hand code it. See how you go.
Yes.
Yep.
I will.
Okay.
Okay, so this concludes our review for this sprint. As always, the video will be available on TimePro's channel. It was Hugo from SSW signing off from this review. See you in the next one. Cheers.
Thanks, Hugo. See ya.
Just